Hello and welcome to a new episode. In this episode, we will be making custom cupboards without spending any money. So we need to resort to spare materials that we've already got laying around. Let's see what we can harvest. So we've got some wooden panels laying around that we used for our temporary kitchen. And now that we have a kitchen, we don't need this anymore, so we can use it. Now let's see what we've got laying around in the container. We've got a wooden tabletop, but that's not something we're going to use right now. Here we have some old wardrobes, some paintings, we're not going to use that. Here we have some kind of plank. Here we have our old TV furniture, more planks. Here we have a lot more planks, and more planks. Should be enough to make something, right? So the first thing I'm going to make is a bookcase for the kids. And for that, I'll be using these that I've also used for the nightstands. And I'm going to combine that with some of the wood that we used for the temporary kitchen. Let's see what I can make out of it. So I've got this and I've got this. Now this seems like a pretty good height. And this looks like a pretty good width. So I'm going to cut this through the middle, this through the middle, chop it off a bit because there's an edge missing here, and then see if we can get everything connected. So I've cut the first green board, and when I put it on the other planks that we have, I noticed there's a difference. So it seems that I've measured it wrongly. Now it's in an angle. If I'm going to do these kind of things, I'm really going to run out of materials. Measure twice, cut once. Keep remembering. Cutting done, routering done, sanding done, drilling done. Let's see if it fits together. Let's assemble it. Started raining again. Kinda annoying. I have to keep on moving our stuff outside and inside and outside and inside because of the rain. So now I put everything in a dry spot again. And there we have one cupboard. So I've got an edge at the back so the books don't fall off of the shelves. Of course, we need to remove those stickers and stuff. But pretty cool, huh? Now let's see what the girls think of it. This in. Girls, I've got something for you.
Oh my God! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! A Papa house! And I'm not playing matching.
It's for the books?
No.
You like it?
Yes. Really nice.
At least someone's happy. Great.
Baby, open
I thought I made a bookcase.
up.
Boy, was I wrong. Continue tomorrow with the next one. So the next project will be some TV furniture. In our previous house, we had a huge piece of furniture underneath the TV, like 4 meters long and 60 centimeters deep. That's of course way too big for our new house, but maybe I can reuse some of the parts for it. So we've got 6 of these cupboards that we used in our previous house. And now I'm going to reuse 2, I think. And then put a nice wooden top on it and wooden sides. Alright, the cupboards have been adjusted. Now let's continue with the top and with the sides. Alright, we've got the cupboards and the top, and I've even found the doors. Pretty cool, huh? Now let's continue with the sides and the bottom. So the sides I'll be making of the same wood as the top and the same depth as the top. And the bottom, I'm again using the same wood, but I'm not going to make that as deep as the top and the sides, but as deep as the cupboard itself, so that the door can still open and close. It's now mid-December, and this is our Nespera tree. It flowers in this time of the year, and I don't know if you can hear it, but it's buzzing with so many insects. Bees, wasps, hornets, butterflies. Sides are cut. Bottom parts are cut. I'm not going to fit everything. I'm just going to sand it and router it. And then the fitting will be a nice surprise at the end once everything's finished. Fingers crossed. All routed, all sanded. Now let's assemble it. Alright, fully assembled. Now let's see how it looks on its final location. We've got the cupboard in this place. I've got the doors here. Let's see how that looks. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I'm happy with it. You happy?
Yes.
Yeah?
Nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
Looks good.
So in the next video, we'll be taking the cupboard making to the next level by making a kitchen cupboard out of an old IKEA Pax wardrobe. If you want to see more of our day-to-day life, have a look at our Instagram account, Quinta Lima Portugal. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!